know how long it's been since I actually used my camera to vlog. Let me get some of this sun right fast.
I want blue. You want to draw? Yes.
What do you want me to draw?
It's a heart.
You want me to draw a heart?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
And a dirt. Good job.
She said good job. Thank you.
You want to trade?
Yeah, oh, let's trade. I didn't even know you knew that word yet.
I got chalk in my house.
You got chalk in your house?
Yeah.
What color?
I
Look at your hands.
I spelled your name right here, Nova. Look. Nova. See?
I see it over there.
She's a smiley face.
You got a cocoa melon jacket? I mean hoodie?
It's unsure.
Look, Nova, trace your feet.
It's
Oh, wow.
unsure.
Dang.
The white's,
Trace your feet, do like
white's in the car somewhere. It's unsure.
See how big your feet is. What color it is? Is these your feet, Nova?
You got some big feet.
Over here? And I ain't got nowhere to wipe but my pants.
The white's in the car somewhere. I can sell some wipes in the car.
Oh, right. Teamwork.
Where you going, child?
Over my feet.
Down. We're gonna come back.
I wanted to see what I could find over here in the woods. It's not a clear trail. And I got on Crocs. And frankly, they don't have any friction anyway. So I'm not sure if this is a good idea to be trying to climb up and down and around and around. Because I'm up on this hill right now. I guess I could show y'all. I guess I'll step right there then, huh? Down we go, I guess. Woo! I quit my job like an hour ago, and I'm quite literally in the woods now. Make sure I'm walking to no spider webs, you know? It's starting to feel kind of mushy over here. Oh, it's a squirrel. Dang, that's a big pine cone. About fell over it. I gotta remember to keep my camera out. I'm not used to holding it anymore. Ouch. That twig just whipped my leg. I feel like it was a switch. It got a spanking or something. The water is so stocked up. Okay, let's go back. Uh-oh. Whoa! Whoa! Yeah, I about fell right there. I need better shoes to put on. Put my little sports strap on my Crocs or something. You know, we forget so very often to look up. I'm very attracted to that area right there. I don't know why.
Go ahead.
Oh, it's a spider web right there. I'm gonna walk into it. Whoa, look at these trees. Oh, I love the leaves on this tree. Oh my god, this is so weird. Yo, look how this tree is shaped. What the hell? That is so strange. I'm loving the colors on this too. This is really pretty. I said I wanted to get me a video in the fall. Finally got one. I actually said this last year, I think. I think that was last year. And I don't think I ever recorded last year in the fall. Did I? I don't know. I have no idea. My days run together. How do I get up there? So, I guess I'll go this way. Go under here. Go... Wait a minute. How did I get in here? I didn't come through there. That's not clear. I think I came from over there. This way. I'm gonna go back up here and circle around. And then go down. I kinda wanna... Should I go back there? I'm not sure if I'm satisfied. I think I wanna keep walking. Why not, right? Let's go. Let me use you so I can stand up straight stick. Okay. Is that a cocoon? It is, I think. Whatever, it's fine. It doesn't look very clear back there. And technically, I don't have the proper attire to be walking through here anyways. So I think I'm gonna turn back now. I got on some yoga pants and some Crocs. I don't even got my sports strap on, you know? I think I wanna go this way. I didn't come this way the first time, but it looks like it's pretty decent to get through. Uh-oh, I just broke that stick. Snapped right under my feet. think that's where I came in. Am I hearing something? I probably look crazy as hell coming out the woods with a camera. Ouch! Something just pricked me in the thigh. These bitches got thorns. Okay. This is so pretty, ain't it? I'm not sure. I've been in the woods for a while, so they probably are back already. This is so pretty. I gotta give me a couple pictures from this video. I was gonna go by the water, but I've had my fill with going through the woods, so I don't really feel like I need the water right now. Where is my family? Uh-oh, my camera's gonna die. Hold on. It automatically started recording? I didn't even press anything. There's a shoe in a tree. Oh, I said doodle with the dog. I have no idea where they went, y'all. It's not a bad thing. I'm just curious. This battery finna die too? Oh my god. Okay, hold on again. Okay. I'm gonna walk back. I am so pretty. Oh my god. No, I'm not conceited. I'm actually very insecure, but I don't know. Lately, I just been like, oh, Shakira, it's a beauty miss. It's a beautiful. Well, I guess I go back over there where I put the chalk and stuff. Or where she put the chalk. I'm gonna tell my dad I just went through the woods. This is nice. Wow. This sun bright, huh? Forehead glistening. It feels so good out here. It's just enough wind. The sun don't burn your skin too hard. I understand if I was an animal, like a domestic animal, I'd probably be a cat. Because I see why they sunbathe so often. Where's my family? I have no idea. I did my homework yesterday. I don't have to worry about that. I could just focus on my editing today. I'm doing my brother's video so far. I hope y'all can hear me. He did a vlog so he can deliver the puppies. Check out his page and see what he got going on. Beep, 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 beep. If you didn't know, which none of you probably would have even noticed by now, or until now, I took out my locks, so under here is nothing but loose hair. I got a puff ball back here, so but I am starting over, and the reason why I stopped and combed them out, I cut some of them because it was too much to deal with, because number one, they was already damaged to begin with, and then I tried to do a lock combination, and I got them combined, and I liked it for a little while, but then I realized that the damage was still there. I was like, you know what, I might as well just start over, because I'm trying to fix and it's not fixing. I had a bad habit of being insecure about my hair, like the length of it. So it was like, no, I'm gonna just keep the length of it, even though I know I need to do this and do that. But I'm gonna just try to keep the same length, because retention is beauty. But that's not the case, you know. So I was like, you know what? Instead of holding on to damaged hair, I'm gonna just start over from healthy. I won't have to worry about fixing. It's like getting a car, and you know the car needs fixing. And spent like say $5,000 in repairs or something when you could have got a new car for $5,000. You see what I'm saying? Like with no issues, it would have been good from the get-go. So that's kind of how I feel about my hair. And then, not to mention, I didn't take care of it, especially through my depression. I neglected it. My hair was brittle. It was breaking off. It was just a lot going on, you know. I didn't take care of it like I was supposed to. And then I put the wrong types of products, so I had like hella buildup, and it was making my hair hard. Like if you squeeze into it, it's not spongy anymore like it's supposed to be. It was hard. So I was like, you know what? I'm not doing this no more. I'm not gonna sit here and just try to make my hair look pretty if it's not healthy. I want it to be healthy and pretty. So I'm starting over. I'm gonna try to get somebody to do my hair within the next 2 weeks. Do some new starter locks, and then I can come back on here and show y'all what they look like. And I decided I might as well do a hair journey too. So I have a couple videos of me like taking my locks out. What was I about to say? My hair. I was talking about my hair. I know that. Oh, there they go. She was telling me she went to the potty. She getting so big, y'all. She's so cute. Hi.
I want to play chalk.
You want me to open it? Say, help me, please. Moo head. I walked through the woods and it was very interesting.
Oh, which way you go? Oh, back there?
Yeah.
Oh, I want the pink one. That's my favorite. There you go.
Pink one is your favorite?
Yes. Yeah. You color mine, okay?
Color with you? This?
No. Color it like this. You want me to... Let me show you. You want to that mine, okay?
Okay. Like this?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Bye-bye.
Where'd you go?
See the water?
She going to the water so she can see the creek. You proud of yourself?
Hop, 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 hop. Hop, yeah. Hop, 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 hop.
Ain't it? I just walked past the trash thing.
Come on, guys, let's go.
How you gonna tell me to come on and you behind me?
Let me try that.
You be careful, okay? Hold on to the rails. It's very, very steep. Good job.
You can do it.
I can do it too.
Yeah. You can sit on me.
I can sit beside you.
Do you hear my song? Look at this beach.
Yeah, that's one of my children's right there.
Another one over there.
That's my god baby.
I want to see that too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want to set her on. I want to set her on. Set her on. Look at this. I know you don't like. I know you don't like shrimp, but that looks so delish. Like, oh, yum.
It do look good.
Mm.
You know that's so funny that my body betrays me like that. The things that I see, it look good, but I know it tastes bad.
Look at her. Look at her. Look Abigail.
I will take you, no, but just wait a minute.
Little one child. You want to see the water? Come on, chicken head.
Yeah. Come on, Jack.
Is this a good angle? Since I'm covering the light, like that? Well, not anymore. I had something going on. I'm gonna be real childish and go under this. I don't see any spider webs. It's too late now.
Sure, do this. Come on. Give me
I'm
a
kind
hand,
of
chicken
big.
doodle.
I don't know if I can squeeze in there like that.
Bye, Lee.
Bye.
See you later.
Come on, Jack.
Bubble. There go your leaf. Bye. See you later.
The other one.
Yeah. All right, come on.
I think I'm gonna sit in the shade for a couple minutes. Is that better?
Yeah.
Yes.
I don't want to pick up. I don't want to talk.
You don't want to what?
Don't want to pick up.
You don't want to play with the chalk? You don't have to. Let me send this to your mommy. You want to tell mommy hey? Say hey, mommy. Hey, daddy.
Hey, Daddy.
Hey, mommy.
Hey, Mom.
You finna go over there with her?
No.
I want to go over there with her because I'm kind of missing this sun a little bit, low key.
Hey,
Hey,
I'm a doctor. Mom, I help you.
you gonna help me? What you gonna help me with?
A shot.
A shot? I don't want a shot.
Yeah. Kick through the hole.
What? You are so close.
Hey.
Hey.
Hey, Nova.
Hey, Sha.
Hey, Shot.
Hey, Nova.
You want to get checked up?
Yes, I want to get my checkup.
I don't do shots. They hurt. Because I'm not doing no shots. They hurt.
No, but shot.
No, because they hurt. I'm going to run. I will. As soon as you come over here.
No. No.
I don't want no shot. I'm not no big girl. I'm not no big kid. I'm not a big kid. I'm a baby. I'm not a big kid now. You're trying to make me take a shot. Have you ever seen a doctor run out that kid? You go to jail. I'm calling the peoples on you.
Dang, not the people's, Nova.
Yeah.
Your face. Quit it. Go ahead. Go to the car then.
I can't open the car.
I can't open the car. Like, duh, it's locked.
Can you shut the door?
Can you close the door? I think she meant open, but still, that was funny.
Can you open the car?
She mad because I won't let her give me a shot, so she want to go set the car.
Yeah.
What she say?
She just making noise.
No.
You a doodle head.
Dang it, my thing came loose.
And 2 and the 3 and 4, 5, 6 and the 2
Mama.
and 3 and 4, 5, 6
and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. You want some of these? Ouch. Sorry.
Single.
They got new menus. How cute. I love this brown.
Or whatever.
I've been on my browns lately.
Mommy, it's like camera.
Yes, Nova?
I want to eat.
Yeah, we got food right now. Hold on. Well, this the menu for the food so we can see what we're going to eat. So we just got to read it, okay? The beef with the broccoli.
With the rice. That's you right there. I think.
So mine is 59.
I was trying to see if I see it somewhere.
I can't stand the smell of new paper. It doesn't stink, but it feels like I can't breathe. Nova, you want to come up here for a little bit?
Mm-hmm. What's that? That's my one.
Let me see. You got something in your eye. Let me see.
What is it?
I don't know. It's nasty, though.
What is it?
I don't know.
You ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Do you take your seatbelt on?
You put my seatbelt on?
Mm-hmm. Thanks. We're almost there. Go, man. We're not going to the park. We're going to the soccer game.
We're going to my soccer game.
Yeah. I got paint park. Don't fall on the floor, okay?
Don't fall on the floor?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, thank you.
Be careful.
I'll be careful, thank you. You gotta be careful driving too, okay?
Okay. Come on, people. I have to go. Oh. I can buckle you. I can buckle you in your car seat. You're a big boy, okay?
I'm a girl, not a boy. I'm a big girl.
Okay, babe. You ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
You ready, big girl?
Yes, I'm ready.
You can't go yet. I have to take my seatbelt on.
Oh, okay. My bad. Sorry for rushing you.
That's okay. That's okay, girl.
Okay.
I want my food.
It's not food yet. This is just soy sauce. You gotta wait before this food can get cooked.
Oops. Sorry.
It's okay.
Mommy, why cook it?
No, she's not cooking it. The restaurant people cooking it.
Oh. Yeah, no. Beep, beep.
Chicken doodle. Chicken doodle.
What? Oh, man.
Do you hear her road raging? Oh, go, man.
What? Okay, why you too?
She talking about some, yeah, love you too. Talking to her children in the back.
Over here.
My camera's gonna die soon. I just seen the battery go down.
What happened?
My camera gonna die.
Your camera did
The
that.
camera?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Come on, Auntie. We gotta go, Auntie.
Okay, bye.